Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best car rear view cameras. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Red Tiger 4K Dash Camera. Specifications: brand name, Red Tiger. Aperture, f1.5. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3-5. GPS logger, internal. Interface, Type-C. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Warranty, 1 year. Number 4 on our list is ImageBond Car DVR. Specifications: brand name, ImageBond. Display, IPS. View angle, 105 degrees minus 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Pixels, 800 mega. GPS logger, external. Interface, AVN. Micro SD, DF. Chipset manufacturer, Rackchip. Frames per second, 30. Number 3 on our list is Wolfbox G900 Rearview Dash Cam. Specifications: brand name, Wolfbox. Aperture, f1.5. Display, IPS. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 12 inches. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Frames per second, 30. Number 2 on our list is Viafo A229 Pro. Specifications: brand name, Viafo. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512GB. GPS logger, internal. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year. Number 1 on our list is ASDOM Dash Cam M550. Specifications: brand name, ASDOM. Aperture, f1.8. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 150 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX307. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3-5. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Warranty, 1 year.